Hi, this is Cajun DIY Diva, and today we have another craft video. Today we are going to make an Easter wreath with stuff from the dollar store. So I've done other videos where I use some things from around the house and only purchase things from the dollar store, but this time I'd say the only thing that's not from the dollar store is my glue gun, because I even bought glue sticks from the dollar store. So here's what I've got, and actually this is a pack of mesh tube, and we've got some deco mesh, and there's actually some directions to make a little deco mesh wreath on there. I'm going to do kind of my own thing, because I always do. So here's what I've got. I've got an egg garland. So it's got, let's see, 6 colored eggs on it. I've got these Gerbera clips, so they're daisies. And they have, what's cool about them is they have these little clips on the back. I don't even have to glue this. I can just clip these on and have a lot of control. So I have 3 colors. Of course, this color, which I like the best, was missing one of the blossoms. That's a bummer, but I still got it. It's only $1. And I've got this deco mesh. This is 5 yards at a 6-inch width. And then I've got these, they call them tinsel stems. They're otherwise known as pipe cleaners. We're going to cut these in half to use. And I have a vine wreath from the dollar store. They also now are selling these wire wreath forms that you can use, and that's actually what it says to use in the directions that they give. But I had this, so I'll use it. Let's see, is there anything else? Yeah, I'm going to use this mesh tube. So I haven't really planned this, my first time doing this kind of wreath. So we're going to see what happens. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to unpack everything, and I'm going to cut a bunch of these into in half to get ready to use them, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So I cut up a bunch of these. We'll see if that's enough. And I unpacked a couple of these rolls. We'll see how many we end up needing. So what I'm going to do first is just pinch up one end of the deco mesh. I guess that's about 6 inches. I folded it over, and I'm pinching that up, and I'm going to use one piece of the pipe cleaner and twist it, and I'm going to fasten it to the wreath. And that's how I'm getting started. I don't know, I might like to use floral wire better than this. We'll see. You know, the pipe cleaners were $1, so you know, you can't beat that deal. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to make a bunch of folds like that, and I'm going to keep wrapping with the deco mesh, just giving it a little twist. I'm not like twisting it a million times. I'm just twisting it a couple of times. And this stuff, the ends are kind of prickly and they like to grab each other. So you just kind of eyeball to see that you're getting your loops about the same size, and you just keep twisting it around until you've got it going all the way around. Now, if you used the wire mesh form to do this, like it says in the directions. Oh, and here's like what the directions look like. Here's the label. for the deco mesh. And on the back, there's a little instruction sheet, which I really can't read. I had to take a picture of it with my phone and enlarge it because I can't see it that small. But anyway, you may want to do like 2 rows of this to make it really full. So we'll see how far this goes. So I'm just going to keep wrapping like this until I get all the way around, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it took me 2 of these 5-foot rolls to go all the way around my wreath, and I did, little loops, and you could just adjust it, twist it around if you need to. I love this deco mesh because it's just, easy to work with. So here's what it looks like on the back. I haven't tightened these yet, but you can see I put each one about 1 inch or so apart to make it look that full. So now let's see what else we can add to it. I'm going to try, I've never used this stuff, this, what was it called again? This mesh tubing. So I'm going to cut, need some more pipe cleaners. And I'm just going to start it in one spot. And I don't think it's going to go around. I don't know how this is going to work. We're going to probably stick it in here and there. I probably could have wound this up with the deco mesh, but I just wanted to kind of put it around here and there and let it poke out and everything, just to add a little extra decor. So I think I'm just going to put it in, shove it in between all the loops until it goes all the way around. This deco mesh is actually holding it. So I could probably secure it. I might not even need glue for this project. Well, I probably need it for the eggs if I put them. But yeah, they're just letting this mesh tubing kind of stick out. It looks a little bit frenzied right now, but I'm just going to keep working with it and just working it in and out. Let it kind of stick out. It looks kind of crazy, but I like it. I'll have to, of course, refluff all this, all the deco mesh at the end. I'll have to refluff it all. The package with the directions for the dollar stores way of doing this calls for, I'm just going to kind of go back around and make more loops with this now. It calls for using 2 packs of this mesh tubing and 4 packs of the deco mesh ribbon, but you can see it's really full and I don't think I need any more than that. I'm going to cut this off because I think that's probably enough of that. Now I'm going to see how it looks if I just clip a flower on here and there. I think I'll just clip it right onto the deco mesh and see how that does. These little clips are so convenient. Can you see that? I wish I had more than one of those blue flowers, but you know, life's tough. Not really. We'll get on fine without it. There are some of these that color eggs. Oh, my foot just hit. Can you still see? Yep. Okay, so for these eggs, I'm not even going to cut them apart, I don't think, because I think what I can do is just here and there, let's tuck them in. I think I can just wrap them around. Because this deco mesh is just holding everything. So it's really cool. Now I am going to have to do something with it. I'm going to have to put some wire or something to hold these eggs on. Let's see. Put a pink one here. This I'm just kind of wrapping around. Put a pink one there. Wrap that around. Yeah, see, it's not wrapping around too good, so I'll just take it. Actually, with this white, with the ribbon, it kind of just goes. Let's see. I'm going to cut that one off right there because I want a blue egg over here across to spread that blue color around. And let's see. Put one right there. And I've got one more pink egg. Let's see, maybe I'll stick it right here with this yellow one. So what I'm going to do is just kind of tie these down. I might actually hot glue them to the deco mesh. And I'm also going to take one of these pipe cleaners. I'm going to wrap it around the actual wreath, and then I'm going to twist it like that, and then twist these ends like this, and then bend it down, and that will be my hanging loop, which I'm going to put back here. And so this is my Easter wreath from the dollar store, and I made it even cheaper than the dollar store recommendation. So this is CajunDIYDiva. I'll leave a picture of what it looks like on my door. And if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. You can see I'll put a link to my channel in the corner. And please give me a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you would like to see videos on. You know, I'll try to accommodate. I haven't done a cooking video in a while, or a painting video in a while, so I'm due for one of those. So tell me what you think. But this was fun and so fast. So CajunDIYDiva, I'll see you next time. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to show you what I decided to do with my eggs was to just hot glue them right onto the deco mesh and just let them hold it down for a second for each one until they stay. So here's the last one that hasn't been glued yet, and I'm just going to pull that ribbon right off because we don't really need those ends sticking out. And I'm just putting a bunch of glue. Oop, burned myself with the glue. Ouch. And so I stuck on, this one could probably use a little bit more glue just to make it last. All right, back again. There's always somebody coming to my door when I'm trying to make a video. So it's just these last two eggs that I want to I glued them together because there's 2 left and not really space. I just thought I'd just put these 2 together. So, and I'll just kind of use the back of my scissors to press really good so I don't burn my fingers. Okay, so here we go. Here's the finished wreath. You can still play with tucking in and fluffing the tubes and the mesh, and like I said, let's see, where is it? So there, I made a loop to hang it on the door. Let's see, can you see that? I made a little loop right here to hang it on the front door. And that's it. So that was pretty quick, easy, and a fun little project. You could probably do this with kids. It might be a little challenging with kids, but a little bit older kids would have fun with it. So this time, I'm really out.